for the nice introduction. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So a very good evening to all new members, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. First of all, congratulations for taking a very important decision to become part of Toastmasters family and also become a better version of yourself in communication and leadership skills. Today in my session, I would like to introduce different roles in a meeting. As each member in a family is unique and important with different duties and responsibilities, each role player in Toastmasters meeting is also very important to make the meeting a very grand success. We all know that we are here to improve the communication and the public speaking skills. So for that, what we need to do? First of all, you need to speak in front of audience, right? Yes. So the first meeting role is of speaker. So the preliminary purpose of this role is to speak in front of the audience. Toastmaster is a wonderful platform to practice your speaking skills. But what do you have to speak? Well, we have a curriculum to follow, the pathways. The objective of our each speech is described in it. Our President Toastmaster Abhinav will be taking a session on pathways. After my session, you'll be knowing more about it. Do you think only practicing speaking alone can help you to improve in communication skill? No, you need constructive feedback for your performance, right? So you have a role player called evaluator. The evaluator will be mostly a senior Toastmaster than you. The evaluator will listen to your speech very carefully and give you an oral and written evaluation. This evaluation includes the areas you are excelling as well as the areas you need to improve. After the evaluation, you will be highly encouraged to come back with the next speech with more confidence, taking up all the feedbacks from the evaluator. Time management is very important while you are on the stage. You need to make sure that you had successfully conveyed your message well within the time frame allotted. So in order to help you with that, we have a role player called timer. The timer is responsible for monitoring the time for each meeting segment and for each speaker. The timer will give you signals in green, yellow, and red colors. The green color shows that you have reached the minimum time. The yellow color shows that you have reached the midway, and the red color shows that you have reached the maximum time. So after that, after the red signal, you will be having 30 seconds grace period to conclude your speech. In addition, the timer will give you a precise timing report at the end of the meeting. The timer role will help you to be better in the time management. Good and effective use of language is very, very important to convey the message effectively. While you are on stage, you may use very good phrases or metaphors, and sometimes you may commit some grammatical errors or mistakes which you may notice. In order to help you with these details, we have a role player called grammarian. The grammarian will precisely listen your speech, and he will give a detailed report at the end of the session. So this feedback will help you to improve your vocabulary as well as grammar. Similar to the grammarian role, when we are speaking on stage, we may use inappropriate filler or crunch words like so, but, you know, long pauses, or the sounds like which may interrupt the flow of the speech. A lot of times, this is not evident to us, but it is very clear to the listener. So the role player or counter listen your speech very carefully and note down all the filler and crunch words. So end of the session, he or she will give you a detailed report. This feedback will help you to polish your language by identifying your filler words. Now we have another role player. So along with focusing on improving the grammar as well as the reducing the filler words, it's also very important to increase your vocabulary to become a better communicator. So the role player word master will introduce a word in each and every single meeting along with its meaning, pronunciation, origin, etc. Also, he or she will provide 2 sample sentences using the word. You can incorporate this word in your speech during the meeting and in future everyday conversation. At the end of the session, the wordmaster will give a report on how many times we have used the word of the day during the meeting. Ultimately, the wordmaster will help you to increase your vocabulary. So far, we have seen different aspects of prepared speeches. How about when it comes on impromptu speeches? For example, if your boss suddenly asks you to share your experience about working with him, or your mother-in-law is asking you to say something good about your daughter or son, about her daughter or son. I know you might be having some hiccups while answering these questions spontaneously. In order to empower you to handle such situations, we have a role player called the Table Topic Master or TTM. The TTM will bring some interesting topics and you will get opportunity to speak on it spontaneously. This role will help you to improve the impromptu skills and also will boost your confidence in occasions where you have to speak spontaneously. We have gone through different role players so far, and you might be wondering who is coordinating all these activities. It's none other than Toastmaster of the Day or TMOD. TMOD is one of the crucial roles in a meeting. The role is to mainly handle the overall meeting like an anchor or a host. The TMOD will explain the theme of the day, introduce the participants, keep the audience engaging with the conversation, and make sure that everything happens according to the pre-planned agenda. It usually takes throughout the meeting. So it's the longest role player job, which needs a lot of patience, lot of experience and all. The next one is general evaluator. As we have seen, the evaluator will help the individual speakers to improve their skills through constructive feedback. But how can we ensure the quality of a club or club meeting? Here comes the role of general evaluator. The general evaluator evaluate every segment of the meeting right from the beginning to end. He'll be having good understanding of all pieces of it that constitute a good meeting. He will be a good listener and usually a senior Toastmaster. He will share both positive comments as well as scope of improvements. So this constructive feedback will help to ensure the club growth through continuous improvement. Usually this action will be taken up by the ExCom for the overall improvement of the club. The next topic is Greet Master. Apart from the major roles we have discussed so far, we have two more role players which are mostly applicable only to face-to-face meeting. They are Greet Masters and Shoot Masters. The Greet Master is responsible to welcome the guest and members to the meeting. Usually he reaches the venue at least 15 to 20 minutes prior to meeting. He or she provides a brief idea about Toastmasters to the guest and make them comfortable. And so also he collects the guest list with all necessary information like contact details and hand over to the VP membership so that the VP membership can contact them in future. It's a great role for those who like to meet new people and do networking. And the last role player for today is Shoot Master. Shoot Master is responsible for capturing all the precious moments during the meeting and also make sure to hand over all the good quality pictures into the VPPR, which can be shared in the social media platform for PR activities. So in nowadays meeting, it is very easy to take a screenshot or usually there will be recordings will be there. So now it is very easy, but in usually face-to-face meeting, there will be a person who is assigned as shoot master who will be taking care all the all the responsibility of capturing all the pictures. So it's a great opportunity for those who like to explore the skill in photography. So with this, we have almost covered all the major role players. Please note that this is a quick summary of all the roles. So when you take up these roles, please make sure that you will contact your mentor and get guidance with them, practice many times in order to successfully perform this role. So if you have any questions, you can ask me right now or you can message.
Yeah.